Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Mazda truck. It's a Mazda Repu. Casting is by Hotwheels, and it's not new for 2024 or 2025, but I really like the paint job on this one. So let's open it up and see what else we have got. So here is the Mazda Repu out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this really cool waves kind of paint job. Looks really good, especially given on this matte kind of paint. It looks really good. It's kind of sand kind of color, sure, but you also got like some Mazda written here, then something in Japanese which is in brown, so that kind of contrasts here. Looks really good. It's on the driver's side. You can also see the wheels look good here. What else? So it does miss out on mirrors, obviously because it's an older casting. Turn indicator is here, but it's not detailed. Not a big deal. You can add an orange one if you want. Coming to the front, again you can see the headlamp, the badge, and bumper, but none of them are detailed. On the hood, again the paint, the cool paint carries on, and also it says Mazda rotary power on there. Does miss out on windshield wipers too. Don't see any. Maybe it doesn't rain where this truck is. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being this piece. I don't know if it's a step or a toolbox. Looks otherwise everything else looks the same. Coming to the back, again you can see the place for the tail lamps, but it isn't detailed. You also see the hinges for the rear door, for the bed, twin exhaust, and this is how it looks from the top. You can see the bed here. You can see slightly flared wheel arches, front and back. It's a Japanese truck, very boxy. It's not a very big truck. Looks good. I do like the paint. I love the paint. This is how it looks from the bottom. And obviously it's a two-seater truck. You can see the interior is done in black. The glass has a slight blue tint on it, both for the windows and the windscreen. So it's more of a, because of the paint job I got this one. I do think I have another Mazda Repu, like a plain one, a simple mainline one. This one looks good. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.